Hi everyone, my name is Brooklynn Boyd. I am a master's student here in the Department of Educational Theory and Practice at UGA. And my concentration is early childhood education. I went to UGA, or I'll start with this. I'm sorry. I'm not used to screencasts, so sorry if this is like all over the place. But I'm originally from Detroit, Michigan. I moved to Atlanta, Georgia when I was 15 years old. My mom worked for the government, so she got a different position and she moved my brothers and I down here. I love Atlanta. I also really do love Detroit. Like I said, it's where I grew up. But I love both, split my time between both, and they're both really great cities. I love to read. I'm an avid reader. I will read any kind of novel, and I really love educational nonfiction books. They are my favorite. What I'm reading right now is a book called Crazy Rich Asians. It's being turned into a movie in August, so I would go check it out if I were you. Check out the book, it's really good. This is just a picture of me. Recently, my birthday passed in May, so I celebrated at Disney World with some of my friends. So professionally, I graduated from University of Georgia undergrad in 2017. I am a second grade teacher right now at Woodward Elementary School in DeKalb County School District. My school is in Brookhaven, but Atlanta, it's, I guess, the same thing. Brookhaven's a community. We are maybe half a mile from Lenox Mall, and when I tell people that and then they see pictures of my classroom, they're like, what? I don't understand. But it's a very tight-knit Latin community off of Buford Highway. I love the school, I love the community, and I love the kids. Here is my school's website. So this is my team. I'm on Solar Eclipse Day. This is actually pictures of my classroom. It's my class on the first day of school. Like I said, I love my school. I love the kids. These are my kids too. Well, they're all my kids. I love the community. Here I am. Really love the community. I really love the parents. I love all the children. I love practicing my Spanish. I love helping them with things that they, need help with or don't understand. It's a great area to work in. It's really a great, awesome school. So I love it. I will probably be here for a while. I hope so. So that is my school. This year was my first year teaching. I had a class of 24, and out of my 24 students, 12 were considered high achievers, 8 were considered average, and then 4 were considered working below grade level. So that was a challenge for me, having students who were reading on a 4th grade level and then having students who didn't know how to blend letter sounds together to form words. So I love the idea of ability grouping. I think it makes the teacher's life a lot easier with planning, and I think it's just better for the students overall, and so I think my class next year is also the exact same way, which is fine. But I'm looking forward to being the person on my grade level who is gifted certified, and so I would get the high achiever class. We have 1st grade, 4th, and 3rd grade each have a class that is ability grouped that way. So my principal is really pushing for more people to get gifted certified. I think that is all I have. Oh, this is a picture of my class at the Chattahoochee Nature Center in March. Had a good time. I had a really good first year teaching. So I'm excited to learn all about characteristics of gifted children and just gifted education in general. Thanks, guys. See you later.